Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Squarespace website icon in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing this on Squarespace 7.1. First, click on the settings gear icon at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. The settings panel will open showing all your website configuration options. In the settings panel, click on website, then click on favicon. This opens the favicon panel where you can upload your new icon. You'll see an image upload area under the default section at the top of the panel. Either drag and drop your favicon file into this area, or click the uploader to browse your files. Once you upload the image, you'll see it appear in the preview area. If you've already got a favicon uploaded, you'll see Replace and Edit buttons instead. Just click Replace to choose a new file. Squarespace also lets you add a separate icon for dark mode, which is optional. If you want to do this, scroll down to the dark mode section below the default upload area and upload a second image. Keep in mind, you need to have a default favicon uploaded first before you can add a dark mode version. Once your images are uploaded, click the Save button in the top right corner of the favicon panel. The button will change state to show your changes have been saved. Now, for a few quick tips, your favicon should be a PNG file between 100 by 100 pixels and 300 by 300 pixels, and keeping it under 100 kilobytes helps with loading speed. If your new icon doesn't show up right away, clear your browser cache and restart your browser. Favicons are heavily cached, so they don't always update immediately. Open your site in a fresh browser tab to verify the new icon appears next to your page title. Keep in mind, it may take a few days for the new favicon to appear in Google search results, and favicons usually don't display on mobile browsers. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.